Based on retail feedback, there are 5 common factors that retail customers look for from us as a manufacturer. Number 1 is quality and reliability, and when it comes to your roof construction, I believe Forest River Plant 410 is clearly leading the industry. Plant 410 is home to Puma, Columbus, and River Ranch branded product, and as you can see, every single roof, 2.5-inch wide trusses, 16 inches on center, the entire span of the roof, with also 1/2-inch roof decking, the thickest in the category. And if insulation has anything to do with quality or reliability, the last time we checked, closed cell high density spray foam is a lot better and more reliable than glued and stapled bad insulation. Now, another aspect of reliability is consistency in everything that you build. So when it comes to your wiring harness, Forest River Plant 410 seems to be doing the right things and leading this industry also. Many other things that we're doing here, including utilizing full composite and removing wood as much as possible. If you'd like to learn more about what Forest River Plant 410 is doing in regard to quality, consistency, and reliability, give us a call at 574-821-1487 or email us at 410cs@forestriverinc.com.